Now we are going to start with another planet in sequence, that is the Neptune. This is how the Neptune looks like. And you know that the Neptune is 17 times heavier than the Earth, and as it is very far from the Sun, because you have studied all planets which are present before it, so it is actually you can say present at the 8th number, so it is receiving less sunlight, so therefore it is a cold planet. And moreover, it is not visible with the naked eye, and it has sunlight, the satellites, and how many? 13 moons. 13 moons are there of Neptune. Then moving ahead, we have another planet, that is the Pluto. And you know that Pluto is actually called as a dwarf planet. The reason is that its orbit overlaps the orbit of the Neptune. So therefore, it is said to be a dwarf planet. It is very far from the Sun because it is the last planet. So it is very far from the Sun, and that is why it is the coldest and the darkest in color. And moreover, if you talk about the mass, it is very small. So therefore the name is dwarf, right? So the mass is 0.002 times of the mass of the Earth. And again, it is not visible with the naked eye, and it is again got a satellites, but how? Not 13 like the Neptune has, it has only 3 satellites. So this is all about the Pluto, the Neptune, and we have done everything about in the solar system. So this is all about the planets, and I think you have got in the right way that what are the characteristics of the Mercury, Venus, Neptune, Mars, Pluto, and how many satellites are there, and you know that I have told you with each planet I have told you about the important questions also, because you can get a question of 1 mark or 2 mark depending upon that which is the brightest planet, which is the largest planet, why it is a dwarf planet, why it has a ring, and how can you see that ring. So you know about all the reasons now. So with this we finish about the characteristics, the main characteristics of our 9 planets.